Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette that I received in this month's BoxyCharm. I love this palette. It is really neutral, and this is the palette Ayana. I think that's how you say that. It's A-Y-A-N-A. It is just a very neutral palette with 5 different shades, and we'll get right in this video and I'll show you how I created this look right here. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into this. I'm actually going to take this really light brown shade. I don't know which shade this is. It says the names on the back, but I don't know if it's like right on top of it or exactly how it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down and I'm just going to put this in the crease using a windshield wiper motion, but only going about like leaving about like a quarter, like working my way up towards the brow bone to make my eyes look bigger. Do that on both sides. And I'm using a Morphe 505 brush, a dirty Morphe 505 brush. I really need to wash my brushes so bad. This one's kind of scratchy, but I'm not sure if it's because it's dirty. So that's what that looks like so far. I'm not doing anything really dramatic. If you guys want to see like a more dramatic look, just let me know. I really didn't want to do that. I'm giving something that more just anybody could wear. So I'm going to take that same brown shade and I'm going to place it just in the outer corner right there. I'm going to do it to this side as well, just to kind of deepen that up. And then I'm going to take this matte shade right here and I'm just going to work this with my finger. I'm just going to place it right there. These shades are really pigmented and just like, I like that they're really neutral, so it's not too much. Then I'm taking the same Morphe 505 brush with no extra product and just kind of blending over that just to make sure everything's really blended together. And so that's what that looks like so far. And then I'm going to take this shade right here. You could actually leave it like this and do your eyeliner if you want, if you're looking for a more matte shade, which I've wore this look with some eyeliner and it's really pretty. But today I'm going to put this on top of that matte shade that I put, just to show you kind of how it would look like with a shimmer shade. I'm just going to go right on top of that same shade. So you honestly, technically only need one brush and you could do everything. And then I'm going to take that same clean brush and I'm just going to go over it again just to hide any like harsh lines. Okay. I'm going to take the same matte brown shade and I'm just taking a pencil brush. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm box. It is the Luxie 243 brush. You can find these in the charm room. Not charm room. You can find these in the add-ons if you subscribe to BoxyCharm, super cheap. I'm just taking the same matte brown and I'm going to place this underneath my lash line like this, just to give me some definition down there. I don't know why I always do that. That does absolutely nothing. It like seems like it's helping, but it really does nothing. And I was gonna put some eyelashes on, but I don't feel like wearing lashes today. And most girls don't know how to put on lashes, so it's a win-win for you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take this darker shade, which is what I'm going to be also using as my eyeliner, and I'm going to put it like halfway in on the bottom lash line, just to kind of make it a little more smokier. I need to put my contacts in. I really can't see very great right now. So it just added a little bit more definition. I'm gonna dust that away with just like, let's make sure there's no eyeshadow on the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to do the eyeliner. I need to wet my brush. So you can use water, you can lick your brush. Figure you guys would be grossed out if I lick my brush in front of the camera, but I normally do lick my brush, I'm not gonna lie. But for recording purposes, I'm going to use a setting spray. You just dip it in there, just wipe off the extra water. And then I'm gonna go in with this very dark brown shade right here. And this is what I'm going to line my eyes with. And I just look down, or wink. And just kind of smoke it in. And today I'm just gonna go halfway in. Sometimes I go all the way in, just depending on my mood. But your eyes do look a little bigger when you only go halfway in, so that's what I'm doing. And that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna do this side, same thing. Okay, this one's a little wonky. I'm at to hold my lash down. This side's always a little harder for me to do. So when I'm having trouble, I just hold my lash down, wink. Just gives me a little more control. And then again, with that same clean brush, I'm just gonna go over this again. Just gonna go a little bit on top of that just to kind of blend it. So I'm thinking that's pretty much done. I might use this, hold on. I'm gonna get a little pencil brush. You can use any brush like that. Go into the water. I'm gonna get this same shade that I used, the shimmer shade for the thing, and I'm just gonna pop it in my corner right there. Just because when it's wet, it gives a little more brightness. Just to make my eyes pop a little. And I'm gonna use that on the bottom of my brow bone as well. Like that. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I mean, mascara. I don't know why I said eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Trestiku. I don't know how you say it. Let's face it. Got it in a boxycharm though. And I'm going to use this mascara. I really like this mascara. It's really good. I feel like I went in, hold on. I went a little more in on this side, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm just gonna take this a little bit more over. Okay. Okay, yeah, I went in a little more on this side. That looked a little funny. Okay. This is a really good mascara. I like it, but it does flake a little bit, which I don't like that aspect of it, but it looks really pretty. So I'm gonna do one coat, let it dry. Then I might try to curl my lashes and then do one more coat. What?
Doing the video?
Yeah.
Nice.
My sister wanted me to do an eyeshadow review. She got the same palette. You're welcome, Melanie. Okay. So now I'm doing this side. And I'm going to put a little bit on my bottom lashes. Okay, so while that coat is drying, I'm going to grab my eyelash curler so that I can get a little more volume. Since I'm not wearing falsies, I really just never use eyelash curler. I just usually wear fake lashes, but for your purposes, I'm going to go grab my eyelash curler. Okay, so I have this eyelash curler. It is by Revlon. They actually sent it to me to review a long time ago, but I have to wait till this is dry before I go try to jack with it, because then they're just gonna clump up. So how do you guys like my shirt? Do you guys like that? Let my people go. It's Moses. I like this shirt a lot. It's so cute. Okay. And these are those extensions that I reviewed. I don't know how. My second time wearing them. Actually third. I tried them on the first time. I wore them all day the other day. And now I'm wearing them again. I like them. They're really pretty. And they keep their curls. I like it. Okay, that should be dried enough. Okay, so can I look down? Get on top. I hold it for about 7 seconds. Release. Then I'll put another coat on, and then I'll do the other side. Okay. Okay, so that side is done. And I'm gonna do this side. I know they say you're not supposed to curl your lashes when it has mascara on. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. There's no rules that you have to follow with makeup. That's a good thing. You do whatever you want. You don't even have to do how I'm doing it. You just do you. And I will do me. So, hold it for about 7 seconds. And actually, I didn't even have to really do another coat. I think it stays better when you don't do another coat. It's like when I do a coat, it weighs it down again. But I just want my lashes to be noticed. So I'm doing another coat. If I had some false lashes, it would bring out this look even more. Just make it look really pretty. So do you make weird faces when you put on your mascara and your eyeshadows and stuff? Or is it just me? I think everybody does. Okay, so that is the completed eye look. It's really pretty. Some of the eyeshadow is not wanting to stick. I like it. Yes, let me see if I'm missing anything. I feel like I need some like highlight. Kind of brighten up my face. Let me get some highlight real quick. Since I did use my Tarte, it's the Live, Love, Laugh palette. I'm just gonna use this because I use this for my bronzer and my blush today. It's really, really light. I like this highlight. It's not too much. Just gives me a little bit of a glow. Yes. Now I'm going to set my face. I haven't been setting my face for a while now. I just forgot that I had setting spray. So we're just setting it. Oh, that smells so good. So this is the facial mist with rose water. Wait, it's facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. This stuff is amazing. I love it. It smells really good too. But that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.